Good morning. My name is Zoltan, and in this short video, I would like to talk about the AI tools which I find for video creators or vloggers or those who want to sell basically using video, because I think these are very important tools that can make you more efficient or more effective. And yeah, by the end of the video, I will link all the tools in the description and my email list as well. So please subscribe. But now let's get into the business. So the first thing I recommend is doing keyword research using TubeBuddy, because TubeBuddy helps you to connect with YouTube and you can make keyword research there. So nothing is more devastating or disappointing than finding a video that there's nobody watching. The reason is because usually those people don't make keyword research upfront before they sit down and record the video. Therefore, I was the same. To be honest, it's a very disappointing or upsetting in the end. So TubeBuddy is very cheap, and especially if you start out, you need a keyword research because you want to make sure that the way the video you record is actually needed and will be watched, and then it will be rewarding. So the next thing is the next two what I want to recommend is vidIQ. With vidIQ, you can easily research, and there's an AI generator and also um, AI coach inside. I think they will add more and more features in the future, but it's very cheap at the moment, and I think it's very important that you can ask anything like a chatbot, but especially for uh, for video creators, it's very well trained, and yeah, it will answer your questions, and then it will teach you how to publish a video, and it's very cheap and affordable, and also how to rank well with this video. Next tool, which I'm very excited to show you, is Pictory, because Pictory can generate an AI generated video, so it means that you can record the voiceover or it can give you a voiceover as well. As you might see, I'm number on the right side and it would take me forever to record the video. And I have a number right face, so it's not always and sexy mafia accent from East Europe. So it's not always easy to record the video with the voiceover, and Pictory will do all the work for me because it will generate a video with AI using the voiceover which I give it to or which I find in the app, and also generate screens and little short videos that are relevant to the screen, and I can edit the text if I want to. So by far, this is the best and most time effective way to record a video with AI. The fourth tool which I want to recommend now, uh, yeah, in video. So as you might see, it has a lifetime deal as well, but it's also very cheap. And with this one, I also tried it with several topics or with a few topics, and with this one, you can also generate an AI generated video with your voice and with your script alone. So if you give a script to it, it can turn it into a video. And I love both picture and both in video because I think this is amazing that now AI can be used by little creators just like you and me. So it means that you don't need uh, to spend hours with editing videos, and you don't need to be native English to have to publish a video, and you can build your list or you can share your products using AI generated video. Last tool I want to show you is to generate presentations. Last two tools. So actually, with this one, it's very cheap. And with this one, I wanted to avoid having a blank screen or boring presentation. With this one, you can generate a video, but with an engaging slideshow. So this is the next tool. The last tool I want to show you is this one, Doodle Maker. How you can create animations. I'm just in the process of trying it out, but I think it's very promising because this way you can also generate lots of AI generated videos, so you can use real videos in your marketing and sales without actually spending a lot of time editing and creating those videos. So I think even if you want to even if you want to make some changes, it dramatically cuts down the time you spend on creating the videos. So I recommend all of these tools, and I will link them all in the description. And if you like this video, then please hit like and subscribe to my channel, because I will recommend more and more videos just like this, and you will learn how to make money using AI, and how to cut down the time you spend on creating your creative work. So, if you want to spend less time with your business and generate more income or generate money with AI tools, then I highly recommend to subscribe to my channel and hitting the like button and check out the description as well. Thank you for watching.